Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a parametric design using the equation commands. Initially, we're going to start from the vice body, which is the main base of our design, of our product. So the first thing that I have to do is to give a variable value for the height, the width, and the length. So let's go to the search engine here and type EQ. You can select it from here, or otherwise you can go, you have a second option from the tools menu, and you can select it from here, equations. So here let's type height, enter. My height, I know that is 60, enter. Width 50, length 125. If you are not sure about your values, you can always go to evaluate, measure, select this surface and this surface here, and as you can see, is 125. Okay. Now let's double click on this surface to get these values here. Double click on this dimension and change the name to length. Enter. Okay. Go to view, hide show, and select dimension names. Double click on this dimension and type width. Same thing with this value here. Type height and press enter. Right. Now let's start adding values on the equations.